Well, we just learned that the CDC is going to recommend some vaccinated people wear masks indoors once again. The change is due to the Delta variant, leading to rising COVID infections around the country. Specifics about when to wear your mask indoors still a bit unclear, but we will keep you updated as the CDC releases more information. Meanwhile, several health officials in our area, in our region, also saying that we should put on masks when we are inside. John Hopperstad is live at one of those places where you might start seeing even more faces covered up. Hi, John.
Hi, Liz. Yeah, your local coffee shop. We're here to Starbucks on Queen Anne, and they've got signs on the door that says if you're vaccinated, masks are an option. But right now, you're being advised by at least 8 public health officials in 8 counties to go ahead and wear a mask if you go inside a building, especially a building where you don't know if everyone there has been vaccinated. This is not advice coming from the State Department of Health, at least not yet. These are public health officials in nearly 10 counties making these recommendations now, including King, Pierce, Snohomish, and Kitsap counties. They say going back to wearing masks in public will help reduce the risk of COVID-19, especially with that highly contagious Delta variant. And we just spoke with a young woman who is fully vaccinated and still caught COVID, actually passed it on to her family. She says she will definitely keep wearing that mask.
My parents, my sister, my nieces, everybody just got knocked down, and I think most of that has to do with us thinking we couldn't wear our mask anymore, and we took it off, got sick, and so I've been wearing mine. My store, actually, they were just like, we're going to put ours back on as well. I still think we need to protect our communities.
Yeah. She says despite being vaccinated, the symptoms were pretty bad. She's still suffering from loss of smell and taste, so she will definitely be wearing a mask from now on. As far as other businesses, right now there are some, like there is a salon around the corner here that require you to wear a mask if you're going to come in the building. But we also talked to somebody at this yoga studio down the way here who says she does not believe they will require anybody to wear a mask when coming into their store. So there's no mandate right now, except for individual businesses. No mandate from the state or counties, but a recommendation this morning from 8 public health officials in 8 counties that you go ahead and start wearing the mask once again when you go inside a public place. Guys, we'll send it back to you.
John, thank you. So, hey, the Department of Veterans Affairs just became the first major federal agency to require its workers get vaccinated. The mandate, we know, only applies to healthcare workers. The VA secretary saying it's the best way to keep veterans safe. Employees have 8 weeks to get the vaccines, and then they get 4 hours of paid leave once they show proof of vaccination.